Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn English by reading a story. After each sentence, I will pause so you can repeat. Let's start. Ravi went to the market in the morning. It was a sunny day and the birds were singing. At the vegetable shop, Ravi asked the seller, "How much is this tomato?" The seller replied, "It is 50 rupees per kilo." Now you repeat. Ravi said, "Can you give me a discount?" The seller smiled and said, "Sure, I will give it for 45 rupees." Next, Ravi went to the fruit shop. He saw some apples and asked, "Are these fresh?" The seller said, "Yes, they are fresh from the farm." Ravi bought 2 kilos of apples. Then he said, "Please put them in a bag." Ravi went to the bakery. He asked, "Do you have fresh bread?" The baker said, "Yes, just baked this morning." Yes, just baked this morning. Ravi finished shopping and went to the counter. He said, "Here is my money." The cashier smiled and said, "Thank you. Have a nice day." Ravi walked back home happily. He thought, "I learned a lot of new sentences today." Well done. You have learned many new English sentences today. Keep practicing daily and speak confidently. See you in the next video. Thank you, friends. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel.